Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to block and unblock someone on TikTok. So let's get started. So what you can do is just simply open up your TikTok application. After opening up your TikTok application, just head over to your profile, or you can search for any friend that you like. And now what you can do is I'll just select a friend from my followers, and from here simply tap on the share icon, which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on the share icon, now you will find this block option. So just tap on block and then again tap on block. And after tapping on block, you will successfully block that person. And now to unblock this person, what you can do is just simply come back and then tap on the three bar icon, which is on the top right corner of your screen. And then tap on settings and privacy. And from here, what you can do is just simply tap on the second option, which is privacy. And after tapping on privacy, scroll all the way down and you will find this bottom option, which is blocked accounts. So just tap on blocked accounts and now you will find every single account that is blocked. So now to unblock these accounts, what you can do is just simply tap on unblock and this will unblock them. So that's it guys, this is how to block and unblock someone on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.